This is for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We're going to look at question 7. It's a multiple choice question and it asks you what the factorization of this is. Now we know that this is not going to be a nice factorization because we've got a fraction at the end. So we're not going to attempt to use cross products because I don't know my fractions cross products. So we're going to attempt to complete the square. So let's go through the process of completing the square. So we've got x squared plus x minus 5 is 16. Now, first step to complete the square, do a scaffold, put the x there, subtract. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to drop, I'm going to look at what my middle coefficient of x is, which is 1. I'm going to halve it. So half of 1, half positive 1 is positive half. I'm going to square the half. So square of half is a quarter. And I'm going to drop the negative 5 of 16 over here. Now, all I need to do now is combine the fractions at the end of after the bracket. So we've got negative a quarter minus 5 of 16. Now the lowest common multiple of 4 and 16 is 16. Okay, so negative a quarter is the same as negative 4 over 16. So negative 4 over 16 minus 5 over 16 is negative 9 over 16. Okay, now you've got to be really confident with your fractions. Okay, so this becomes, so I'll just write this down just in case we're not sure like what I've done, because we want this to be 16. In order for this to be 16, we need to times this by 4. So we need to times the top by 4. So it's negative 4 of 16 minus 5 of 16, which equals negative 9 of 16. Okay. Now we use dots to factorize. So we go x plus a half minus the square root of 9 over 16, which is 3 over 4. X plus a half plus 3 over 4. We're not done here because half and 3 and 4 can combine. We've got half minus 3 over 4. The common denominator is 4. Okay, so that's the same as 2 over 4. Okay, so x minus 2 over 4 is minus 1 over 4. X plus 3 over 4, so 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4 is 5 over 4. Okay, so my answer should be negative a quarter and positive 5 over 4. So the answer is A. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to approach a question like this. So again, it's just completing the square. Again, you do have to work on your fraction skills. So if you're not confident, do the baby steps. I'm not saying baby steps are bad. However, you've got to build enough competence to do this without the baby steps. You've got to be able to do this in your head.